Incorporating wood furniture into our living spaces is essential for various reasons that encompass aesthetics, functionality, sustainability, and emotional well-being. Wood, as a material, has been used for centuries in furniture making, and its enduring appeal speaks to its versatility and natural beauty. Understanding the importance of wood furniture can help individuals create environments that enhance their quality of life and reflect their personal style. One of the primary reasons to incorporate wood furniture into our homes is its aesthetic appeal. Wood has a unique ability to bring warmth and character to any space. The natural grain patterns and textures of wood create visual interest, making it a focal point in any room. Unlike synthetic materials, wood has an organic quality that resonates with our innate appreciation for nature. This connection to the natural world can evoke feelings of comfort and tranquility within our living environments. By choosing wood furniture, individuals can create spaces that feel inviting and harmonious. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its beauty, wood furniture offers exceptional versatility. It can seamlessly integrate into a variety of design styles, from rustic to modern and everything in between. This adaptability allows individuals to experiment with different aesthetics, whether they prefer a cozy, cottage-like atmosphere or a sleek, contemporary look. Wood can complement other materials such as metal, glass, and textiles, enhancing the overall design of a room. This versatility makes wood furniture an excellent choice for those looking to create a cohesive and stylish living space. Functionality is another critical aspect of incorporating wood furniture into our homes. Many wood pieces are designed with practicality in mind, offering ample storage solutions and multifunctional uses. For instance, a well-designed wood table can serve as a workspace, dining area, or gathering spot for family and friends. This emphasis on functionality is particularly important in today's fast-paced world, where individuals often seek furniture that meets their evolving needs. By incorporating wood furniture that is both beautiful and practical, individuals can maximize their living spaces and enhance their daily experiences. Sustainability is an increasingly important consideration in today's consumer landscape, and wood furniture aligns well with this focus. When sourced responsibly, wood is a renewable resource that can have a minimal environmental impact. Many manufacturers prioritize sustainable practices, such as using reclaimed wood or sourcing timber from well-managed forests. By choosing wood furniture, consumers can make environmentally conscious choices that contribute to a healthier planet. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the environment, but also promotes a sense of responsibility and mindfulness in our consumption habits. The emotional connection we develop with our living spaces is another significant reason to incorporate wood furniture. Wood has a timeless quality that can evoke feelings of nostalgia and comfort. Many individuals have fond memories associated with wooden pieces, whether it's a family dining table where gatherings took place or a cherished heirloom passed down through generations. This emotional resonance can enhance our sense of belonging and connection to our homes. By incorporating wood furniture, we invite a sense of history and authenticity into our spaces, creating environments that feel personal and meaningful. The tactile nature of wood also plays a vital role in our interaction with furniture. Unlike synthetic materials, wood has a warmth and texture that can enhance our sensory experience in a space. The feeling of polished wood under our hands or the sound of wood creaking as we sit can create a deeper connection to our surroundings. This tactile engagement can enhance our overall experience in a room, making it feel more inviting and comfortable. By incorporating wood furniture, we foster a sensory-rich environment that encourages relaxation and well-being. The integration of wood furniture into our living spaces can also promote a sense of balance and harmony. The natural aesthetic of wood can soften the harshness of modern design elements, creating a more inviting atmosphere. This balance is particularly important in open-concept spaces, where different areas need to work together cohesively. Wood furniture can serve as a unifying element, tying various design components together and creating a sense of flow throughout the home. By thoughtfully incorporating wood pieces, individuals can enhance the overall harmony of their living spaces. Moreover, wood furniture can contribute to better acoustics within a home. Wood has natural sound-absorbing qualities that can help reduce noise levels in a space, creating a more peaceful environment. This is especially beneficial in urban settings or homes with open layouts where sound can easily travel. By choosing wood furniture, individuals can create quieter spaces that promote relaxation and focus. This acoustic advantage is often overlooked, but can significantly enhance the quality of life within our homes. The trend toward biophilic design, which emphasizes a connection to nature, also underscores the importance of incorporating wood furniture into our living spaces. Biophilic design principles advocate for the integration of natural elements into our environments, promoting well-being and reducing stress. Wood, as a natural material, serves as a perfect representation of biophilic design. By incorporating wood furniture, individuals can create a space that feels more connected to the outdoors, fostering a sense of calm and tranquility. This connection to nature is increasingly relevant in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, making wood furniture a valuable addition to our living spaces. Another significant advantage of wood furniture is its durability and longevity. High-quality wood pieces can withstand the test of time, providing not only aesthetic appeal, but also practical use for many years. Unlike cheaper materials that may wear out or become outdated quickly, well-crafted wood furniture can remain functional and beautiful throughout its lifespan. This durability makes wood furniture a worthwhile investment, as it often proves to be more cost-effective in the long run. By incorporating durable wood pieces into our homes, we can create environments that are both stylish and sustainable. The cultural significance of wood furniture cannot be overlooked. Many cultures around the world have rich traditions of woodworking and furniture craftsmanship. By incorporating wood pieces into our living spaces, we honor these traditions and connect with a broader cultural heritage. This appreciation for craftsmanship can enrich our understanding of the value of handmade items and the stories behind them. By choosing wood furniture, we embrace the artistry and skill of those who create these pieces, adding depth and meaning to our decor. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.